I am Sheetal Shekhawat. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Almost 2 years ago, I, along with my husband and my son, decided to try for Canada PR, and we were looking for the right kind of guidance and someone who could actually help us in understanding the process and also preparing accordingly so as to get the PR. And I must thank Nationwide Immigrations for being so helpful and for being so professional in helping us to reach our goal. And we applied for Canada PR in the month of September in year 2018. We received our PPR in February 2020. Of course, the process was a long one, spread over 17 months. But I must say everything is well if it ends well. And when we actually started looking for the right consultancy so that we can prepare for this to be able to get into express entry system, initially we went to one or two other consultants to know about it, and after that we ended up coming to Nationwide Immigrations. But I must say, in the very first meeting, I was able to know that we are at the right place. We are with the right team of professionals who would be able to help us in the best manner. Not only they made us, I would like to take the names also. Initially, it was Kanishka ma'am who we met, and she explained the entire process. Along with her, it was Mandeep ma'am and in fact their senior Usha ma'am also. They all were there. They explained us the entire process and how to prepare for it, whether we are eligible or not, and most importantly, how to be able to score maximum CRS so as to get the ITA. And within 2 to 3 months after meeting them, I appeared in my IELTS exam. We prepared all the documents, we went for the VES, and after 2 to 3 months only, in the month of July in the year 2018, we were able, we got the ITA, and we went into the pool in September. Yes, we went into the pool in September 2018. At that point of time, our case was given to a case manager, Gitanjali ma'am, and again a big thank to her, as I must say the kind of documentation, the kind of keen observation she has kept throughout the process is really amazing. And initially we were a bit confused about it, that how the process is going to be, whether we'll be able to sail through it or not. But Gitanjali ma'am, right from the documentation part and later on, when right from the documentation and preparing our entire application for the PR, she was really great. And I must also appreciate her because of a very good quality of her, that our case, it took almost 17 months right from AOR, but throughout these 17 months she was always there to listen to us, to listen to our query, and to help us in best manner, because it becomes really difficult to be able to maintain your patience for a process which is spread over for so long. And another good thing that I would like to mention about her is that of course, after every 1 or 2 months, whenever we feel like, okay, we need to contact IRCC to know the status of our application, we need to raise a web form, whenever we would call her about it, she would have already done the same thing. So that really shows that how worried and how keen they themselves are about each and every case. So it was not just me and my husband who were worried about whether we'll be able to get the PR or not, and whether it is going to work or not. But again, I must thank Gitanjali ma'am that she, along with the other members of the team, has done a wonderful job, and she has been really, really supportive, and like a true professional, she has helped us every way, the best she could have done. And after this 17 months of process, when we are actually having PPR in our hands, I must say that to be able to get the right consultant is really important. Not only to understand the process, to prepare your documents accordingly, but to also keep up with your patients, and to also prepare yourself for the further things. And I must say into that, Nationwide Immigrations, they are doing wonderful job. So thank you so much to the entire team, especially to Kanishka ma'am. A very, very big thank to Gitanjali ma'am, and good luck for the future as well. And I'm sure Nationwide Immigration is really going to fly high in coming time, because you guys are working as a true professionals. Thank you so much.